Your rights as a student tenant. As students, we have tenant rights as well as everyone else, and it's important that we know what those rights are. So today, with the help of Creative Legals, an awesome law firm, I help you understand what your rights are as a tenant. You have a right to live in a property that is safe and in good state of repair. Your landlord has a duty to ensure your property is in good repair and is safe. You have a right to have your deposit protected and returned when the tenancy ends. You have a right to challenge excessively high charges. You have a right to know who your landlord is. Your landlord must provide you with those details. You have a right to live in the property undisturbed. You have a right to see an energy performance certificate for the property. You have a right to be protected from unfair eviction and unfair rent. You have a right to have a written agreement if you have a fixed term tenancy of more than 3 years. If you have a tenancy agreement, it should be fair and comply with the law. And if you do not know who your landlord is, write to the person or company that you pay rent to. Your landlord can be fined if they don't give you this information within 21 days. At the beginning of your tenancy, when you start a new assured or short assured tenancy, your landlord must give you a copy of their How to Rent guide if you live in England, and a tenant information pack if you live in Scotland. And you've got responsibilities too. You should give your landlord access to the property to inspect it or carry out repairs. Your landlord has to give you 24 hours notice and do it at a reasonable time of day, unless it's an emergency and they need immediate access. But coronavirus doesn't change these rules, so you should try work with your landlord. And you must take good care of the property. For example, turn off the water at the mains if you're away in cold weather. You must pay the agreed rent even if repairs are needed, or you're in dispute with your landlord. You must pay other charges as agreed with the landlord. For example, council tax or utility bills. You must repair or pay for any damage caused by you, your family or friends. You must only sublet a property if the tenancy agreement or your landlord allows it. Coronavirus hasn't changed your responsibilities. Continue to pay rent to the best of your ability and speak to your landlord if you can't do that. Your landlord has the right to evict you if you don't meet your responsibilities. Contact Creative Legals if you have any questions about your tenancy. I hope it helped.